Hi, Jamie McIntyre here. I'm just in Bali. We're here looking for some venues for the up-and-coming $100,000 per month, how to make $100,000 per month laptop retreat from working from anywhere in the world. We're excited at 21st Century Education to partner with E-Commerce Institute. I'm excited that I've been asked to be one of the presenters and help create some of this program. So to share some of the strategies that you'll learn during this. But before you can attend how to make $100,000 per month, working from anywhere in the world on the laptop, you have to attend the first retreat, which is the how to make at least $10,000 per month working anywhere in the world from your laptop. Now, there's a whole range of strategies that I'll be particularly teaching. That's good. There's many opportunities, many different ways to do it. So I'm not just going to focus on one strategy, but in particular, what I'm interested in helping my clients is how do you go to A to B? How do you get that outcome as quickly as possible? Most people want to have that laptop lifestyle these days and be a digital nomad to be able to work from anywhere in the world. But it takes a certain psychology, a certain sort of mindset, and definitely a lot of focus. So you need the right strategies or strategy and then a lot of focus, and it can occur quite quickly. Once you can get to where you can be generating that $5,000, $10,000 a month in profit, then it's much easier then to scale if you're doing scale to $100,000 a month and plus. And the reality is then you can build a lot of wealth. So we also will teach you what to do with that cash flow and then to invest it soundly so you can generate a lot of passive income so you have sustained long-term wealth. But one of the strategies I've always taught to my clients, but now with e-commerce is much easier and quicker to do, is consulting. How do you take the existing skill set that you have, instead of selling your time in the 19th century industrialization model where you basically, the name of the game is how much you earn per hour, and people think, well, that's how you're going to become wealthy, is I'm a lawyer and I get paid X dollars per hour, or I'm an accountant, or I'm a doctor. If you're playing that game, you're climbing a ladder, and unfortunately that ladder, that corporate ladder, is leaning on the wrong wall. You're going to get to the top of it and you're never going to get to where you want to go. You need to be on the other ladder, on the other side of the wall, where you're not selling time for money, because wherever you're selling that, you only have X amount of time, and time is running out. You don't have forever. So you have to have the ability to generate leveraged income. So most people sell their skill set by selling it at an hourly rate or a salary, like a weekly or monthly, yearly rate, when really there's unlimited ways to take that knowledge and be able to make it available to the world, to other people, to access your knowledge without you having to be there all the time. So these are some of the fastest and smartest ways you're going to learn how to do that. That's before you want to focus on whether you want to build an Amazon business or a Shopify business and all those other sort of ways, which you can certainly do as well. I have friends that have made absolute millions out of doing that. And through working with E-Commerce Institute, you'll get access to all that knowledge from some of these amazing people. But let's face it, to build an Amazon business, one of my good mates, who's probably the leading educator in that field, says honestly, it takes 6-12 months before you're going to probably generate income from an Amazon business. Yeah, it can be done sooner, but we want you generating revenue faster. So we're going to teach strategies where you can generate that revenue quicker, and then you have time and cash flow to invest in some of those longer term strategies such as Amazon or Shopify, etc. Does it make sense? So I'm looking forward to being one of the educators at E-Commerce Institute. They've also created a blueprint business so you can earn while you learn, which I think is also great. So that's something you also want to check out as well. So you can start making money while you're learning all these strategies. Let's face it, we all need an education in e-commerce. That's the future. So the question is, when would now be a good opportunity, a good time to start learning and developing your e-commerce skills? And this is, I believe, the fastest way my clients can go to generate that $10,000 plus per month from working anywhere in the world from their laptop. And I look forward to seeing some of the retreats. Talk soon.